The Rolls-Royce Ghost is built on calm dominance. It does not announce power, it assumes it. In its original form, the Ghost feels indifferent to attention. It is designed to be respected without reaction. Mansory's treatment introduces visual gravity, but it does not disturb posture. The car remains composed, measured, unrushed. Psychologically, this build feels aware of its influence, but not dependent on it. It does not seek validation. It reinforces hierarchy. The Ghost does not raise its voice. It deepens its presence. Critics may still question necessity, but resistance weakens. Because the car does not behave like it needs approval. The excess feels declarative, not reactive. This build does not ask to be admired. It allows admiration to happen. That is the key difference. It earns number 4. Because attention here is commanded, not chased, a build that understands power and refuses to rush it. 3. Lamborghini Aventador by Mansory. At number 3, excess becomes identity. The Aventador already exists as spectacle. Drama is not added. It is native. Mansory does not fight this character. It completes it. The build feels unified. Every modification aligns with the same message. Psychologically, this car does not seek acceptance. It expects judgment, and that expectation changes perception. The Aventador does not explain itself, it declares. Even skeptics hesitate, because coherence is difficult to dismiss. This build accepts polarization, without reacting to it. That acceptance is confidence. The excess feels honest, because the foundation can support it. This is not a car asking to be liked. It is a car prepared to be discussed. That posture earns it number 3. A build that understands exactly who it is for, and does not attempt to soften itself for anyone else. 2. Mercedes Maybach S-Class by Mansory. Number 2 approaches inevitability. The Maybach S-Class represents elite composure, silence, control, authority. In stock form, it does not chase recognition. It exists above reaction. Mansory's intervention introduces presence, but preserves dignity. This build feels designed for people who are already seen, already acknowledged. Psychologically, it does not seek validation. It reinforces position. The excess feels elevated, not loud, not insecure. So why is it not number 1? Because some of the impact still depends on modification. Rather than identity alone, the presence is strengthened, but not entirely inevitable, nearly flawless, but not absolute. That distinction places it at number 2, a build that understands confidence, but still leans on enhancement to express it. 1. Our Rolls-Royce Phantom by Mansory. At number 1, Everything Alliance. The Rolls-Royce Phantom represents unshakable certainty. It does not compete, it presides. In stock form, the Phantom does not acknowledge rivals. It exists in its own category. Mansory's modifications do not alter that psychology. They sharpen it. Every addition reinforces authority, not attention-seeking. This build feels inevitable, as if it was always meant to exist this way. Psychologically, this car does not ask to be admired. It expects evaluation, and it accepts judgment calmly. The excess feels earned, because the foundation is immovable. This Phantom does not perform. It declares. It does not explain itself. It does not justify itself. That is why it stands alone, the benchmark. 4 cars that feel more Mansory than necessary. yet somehow make that excess feel completely justified. Looking back at this ranking, one truth becomes clear. Excess itself is not the problem, intent is. Some cars chase reaction, others define presence. These builds reveal psychology, not money, not engineering. They show who the car is trying to impress, and whether it feels secure doing so. Confidence does not need noise, but it can afford it. When excess is chosen rather than demanded, the difference becomes unmistakable. None of these cars were built to disappear, and in modern luxury, that refusal may be the most honest statement of all.